So that's the basic rules that you must follow. Okay, so let's go to the actual questions now. Oh, before that, sorry, I told you that I want to summarize a bit about the plant transport system. Okay, but even though all of you mostly covered the chapter in school, which is very good, I just want to summarize again because you better lah, right, to recap a bit before we start the questions. Okay, so what I'm going to do, or what you all can do also, as usual, I will tell my students, if you are the kind of person, right, that cannot just listen to the teacher talk. If you listen to the teacher talk, right, even though I'm writing things here and you cannot follow, you will sleep. Better find paper so that you can also copy what I write. Okay, but don't worry, it's not that whatever I write here is gone. It will still be provided for you. It will be uploaded into the system lah. Okay, so it's just if you cannot follow, take a paper and copy. Okay, but if you can follow, then just let's look at the screen now. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to write down, hang on. I'm going to write down the word plant transport because that's what we are doing. Plant transport system. Okay, the first thing that I will ask you all is, why is there a need for a transport system? Anyone can answer me in the chat. In the chat. Okay, so what I'm looking for, okay, is someone to answer me. Only one person. Give me one answer. I read the answer. I won't say the name lah. It's fine. Okay, but only one person contribute. Why is there a need for a plant transport system? Anyone. Don't worry. Nobody can see your response. It's a direct message. You want to try? Try. Okay. Oh, one person already contributed. Okay, this person says, because the plant is a living thing, there is a need for a transport system because the plant is a living thing. Anyone else think that they can improve on the answer or they have a different answer? The one that I have now is, there is a need for a transport system because they say the plant is a living thing. Anyone else have any different ideas? I give 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't have. Got one more. Wait, got two more. Thank you so much. Wait, hang on. I need to open my chat big a bit. Okay, so I got a few responses here. Very good. Okay, let me read the first one. They say that a plant needs a transport system since it's a living thing, and living things therefore need food. Okay, it's not wrong. It's correct. Okay, but let's read others first. Another person says, so that every part can have water and food. Every part of the plant, I assume. Okay, then another person, last person say, so the plant can transport food. Wait, I cannot read what's this. Can transport food. Wait, there's something hidden here. Water. W-A-T-R. Your water spelling a bit. Okay, so the plant can transport food, water, and oxygen. Okay, let me tell you what's good about your answers. Your answers that you give, every single one of you, right, actually do mention something about the names, the examples of the substances that's important to the plant. Okay, that's good. So the ones that I will write down here first is that from what I see, your answers, you're telling me that there are such things as useful substances. Okay, so I'm trying to summarize your answers. There are such things as useful substances, and from what I see from your answer, you give me things like food, and then I see things like water. Any other things you all give in your answer or not? Let me check. Water and food only so far. Oxygen also have, okay. And then I see mineral salts appearing now. Okay, mineral salts can, okay. Okay, so what's up with all these useful substances, people? The thing is, all these useful substances, they need to go from one place to another because maybe they are found or they are taken into the plant only at a specific part. Okay, so let's say they take it at part A, they need to go all the way to part B because something important is happening at part B. Chavi, yes? Why?
Your voice is breaking up.
Is it? Cannot hear, is it? Okay.
Sometimes it's coming and then sometimes it's not.
Is it? Is it only for Chavi or the rest also like that? Only
It's
Chavi?
okay.
It's okay. I think it's yours, Chavi. Okay, let me try and go closer to the speaker, okay? Okay. Let me continue, okay? Okay, hang on, what's this? Okay, so they need to go from one part of the plant to another part of the plant for important processes to take place. However, none of you tell me that there's actually something like the opposite of useful substances. Anyone in the chat can tell me what is the opposite of useful substances? Anyone? Someone contribute something? Joel, drop it. Someone gave me useful substance, that is like literally the opposite, like literal opposite. But is there such a word or not? Unuseful substance. I don't think so, right? We've never heard of it. I give you a clue. It starts with W. Anyone? Opposite of useful. Yeah, someone gave me the answer already. So I will write down the answer here. It's called waste substance. As a living thing, all of us need important substances to carry out important life processes, right? However, we also produce waste substance because of the fact that we are living things. We produce waste, correct or not? So all these waste substances, you don't want to be storing inside your body. You want to remove it. Same thing for plants also. You want to remove waste substances. Okay, so what do the plants do? They need a transport system. Okay, they need a transport system so that all these waste substances also can be removed from the plant body. Can you name me? I just need you maybe one only. One substance that we know for now that is a waste substance for plants. Anyone can tell me. Make a guess or make an intelligent guess. Don't just guess anyhow, okay? Joel, you entered, right? Okay. Joel, I need you to mute your mic first and then follow the lesson. We are going through plant transport system today. Can? Joel, can? Okay. Poison? No. You telling me all plants produce poison? Cannot what? It's something that the plants produce like, as a living thing. Oxygen, Oxygen? No, oxygen is useful for the plants, what? Right? Living things need oxygen, correct or not? In order to release energy, correct? But what is something that they give up that is a waste product that you want to remove from the plant? I'll give you a clue, 2 words, starts with C. 2 words, start with C. Oh, so fast, all of you get, most of you get it already. Carbon dioxide is an example of a waste substance, okay? But, some of you might be thinking, but teacher, for plants, they make their own food. So they need carbon dioxide to make their own food. Sure. But when we are looking at waste substances, we are looking at the other aspect of carbon dioxide. It can be useful for the plants. But at the same time, when the plants respire, they give up carbon dioxide. So that's considered a waste product depending on which process you are looking at. Okay, so these two useful substances and waste substances, they need to move around in the plant in order to give other parts of the plant or remove from the plant altogether. That's why the transport system is very important in the plant. If not, then everything will be stuck in the place. Okay, so now we are going to go through into the actual parts of a plant. I am going to do it this way. I'm going to focus on the useful substances only, right? Because our syllabus, what you learn in school also, you all learn about food and water transport first, mainly lah. Okay, so let's focus on that. So the one that I'm going to put here is food. Can one of you tell me Does anyone know what is the more specific name they use instead of food? What else can they say? Plants make their own food in the form of, anyone know? This one I don't expect everyone to know because this one actually taught in P6, but let's see if anyone knows. There's so many types of food, what is the kind of food, the name of the food that the plant make during photosynthesis? Cannot be they make burger, right? Cannot, right? So what food do plants make during photosynthesis? I give you a clue, it starts with S. Joel, want to answer? You can type into the chat, Joel. So the
Teacher,
chat, I will read the, yes, Chavi?
can you repeat the question? Your voice is breaking up.
Can. Okay, my question was, what is the name of the food that plants make during photosynthesis?
Thank you.
Okay, Joel, you can put down your hand. Answer in the chat, Joel. Just type out in the chat. I need at least 2 answers. So make a guess. Oh, someone gave me something already. It starts with S though. I'm looking for the word that starts with S. I have glucose. I have starch. But that's still not the answer I'm looking for. Second letter. Someone's trying to bargain with me. Okay. You. Can get ready or not? Anyone? 1, 2, 5 letters only. Not a long word. 5 letters only. It ends with an R. What is Sumer? S-U-M-E-R? I have never heard of the word Sumer before. Finally, someone gave me the correct answer. Answer is sugar. Okay? Plants, when they make food, they actually produce sugar. Okay, so someone gave me a better answer actually like earlier. Someone gave me glucose. Okay, this word glucose, I tell you first, you're P5, but P6 also will learn the same thing also, it's fine. Glucose is a very dangerous word to use. I don't recommend you to use the word glucose because number 1, spelling mistake. Number 2, it's not necessary. PSLE mark paper, right? They don't need you to say glucose. You say sugar can already. So why make your life difficult for you? Correct or not? Okay? So if you are very confident, then you put glucose lah, huh? But if not, I suggest just say sugar can already. Okay, this food, right, that the plants make, the sugar that they make, anyone tell me where it is made? Which part of the plant produces the sugar? In the chat, everyone, throw me the answer in the chat. Which part of the plant produces the sugar? I see 2 answers. I need everyone to answer. This one, everyone should know. Which part of a plant produces sugar? I got 3 answers. I'm waiting for 2 more. 2 more? Where's the other 2 people? Okay, alright, okay. Out of all the answers, even got 1 answer, right? Give me the answer with a question mark. Why? Why question mark? I give you a question, then you question back to me. I feel so sad. It is correct lah. It's the leaves that make the food. Okay? The leaves are the part of a plant that undergo photosynthesis and then make sugar. Okay. Another thing that I want to ask you, when they make the sugar, right? Do they use the sugar for? They use it to grow. Okay, this one I don't want to waste time to ask you first lah, huh? This one I will tell, yeah. Oh, very good. To grow, to give the plant energy. If there are leftover sugar,